What if I told you there was once a night in American history when thousands of people stood frozen under the open sky, believing they were hearing voices from heaven? A night when cities fell silent, newspapers panicked, and ordinary citizens wrote in their diaries that the sky itself was singing. It wasn't a superstition. It wasn't a myth. It wasn't even a ghost story. It was a real event, carefully documented, rigorously debated, and never fully explained. This is the astonishing true story of the mystery sky sounds of 1851, the night when America heard the impossible.